Well, hey beautiful biscuits, you are a little crooked and I don't know why. So do you mind if I bring you over this way? I have no idea why you're crooked. I thought for snack timber I would bring you along on one of my favorite deliciously dips that I make. It's got probiotics, it's delicious, it's yummy, and even picky eaters will eat it, which is saying something. I feel like I'm forgetting an ingredient, but that's just the way my brain works. There you go. So, I am going to, oh, I got this out already. There you go. Okay, I'm going to do probiotic sour cream. And I'm doing this about 60-40, favoring sour cream. I'm not going to do a huge dip today because when I let it sit in the fridge too long, it makes my whole fridge smell because it's really well scented. Okay. And then I have some whole milk yogurt, great probiotics, no sugar, and a fresh little thing to dip this into. And I'm not going crazy with measuring because guess what? It's dip. I am doing powdered garlic. Now I'm talking an obscene amount of garlic. You should offend yourself with this, but it should not be as offensive as the amount of onion that I plan to put in here. Here, biscuits, I'm moving you. Okay, that's less insane. I think you can actually see this now. Mother. So I add so much onion because I love onion dip, but I want the garlic for the cold fighting abilities. That's right. That's how much onion I'm putting in. And then sometimes I do pink Himalayan salt. Sometimes I'll just do a little sprinkle winkle of salt. It kind of depends on my mood. I would say half a teaspoon, although I'm making a smaller batch than normal. Real life tidy ups. Okay. Now if you want, I have on that cutting board back there raw garlic too that I will mince up and put in. Because I'm trying to actually get the kids to eat this, I won't put that in because once they detect the chunks. But this is super popular for a potato chip dip. You know, if you want to do a movie night, or perhaps you're sporty and do a game night. Unlike us, we don't. It's so tasty. You can keep this in the fridge, but I will say it's pungent. You're going to smell it. And so the only downside with that is it's going to make your fridge a little garlicky, a little oniony. Okay. I always let this set for at least 15-20 minutes because you do want it to kind of rehydrate the granulated seasoning. But it's so tasty. And I love just having something tasty. I love snacky season. I'm here for snack timber. If you want to see more snacky tips, primal snacky foods, and all things snack timber for self-care, hop on over to, oh hey Patreon, how you doing? Yeah, right there. See you over there.